Today we will learn about leaf. Leaf is a thin, broad and flat part of a plant. It grows on the stem at a node. Leaf consists of several parts. Some of them are lamina, midrib, veins, petiole, margin and tip. Let us study about these parts of leaf in detail. First, lamina. The lamina is the green flat part of a leaf that is specialized for photosynthesis. The lamina contains a green pigment called chlorophyll, which absorbs sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air. Carbon dioxide reacts with water in presence of sunlight to form glucose. Thus, lamina is one of the important parts of the leaf. Second, midrib. Midrib is a large and thick vein along the midline of a leaf. Its function is to keep the leaf in an upright position and to keep the leaf strong with protection from the wind. Third, veins. The midrib branches out into fine network called veins. It plays a crucial role in transportation of glucose, which is produced by the lamina. The veins which transport the food materials to other parts of the plant is called phloem. Fourth, petiole. The petiole is the stalk that connects the lamina or leaf blade to the stem of a plant. It gives support to the whole leaf. Fifth, tip. The tip or apex is protruding part of the leaf. It has no definite role in the leaf. Sixth, margin. The margin is the perimeter of the leaf between apex and the base. Let's have a question time. Question number 1. What are the raw materials required for photosynthesis? Question 2. Name the vessel that transports food materials from leaf to other parts of the plant. Option A, xylem. Option B, axon. Option C, trachea. Option D, phloem. Question 3. State true or false for the following statement. If false, then correct the statement. The lamina of the leaf may absorb sunlight even in the absence of chlorophyll. Write your answers in the comment section below and hit the subscribe button.